Alright, so this is about to be a quick video going on the mods I got done to my car. A lot of times people comment on a video, probably not pertaining to the questions that they got on a different type of video, or they DM me on Instagram asking, oh, how much this costs or what's the link and stuff like that. And I don't mind, I give feedback or answer all questions and comments, but sometimes I'll be like, oh, just go to this video and the link is down in the description, because you can't put a link inside the comment box. You can't even like click on it. So it's gonna be a quick video going over everything I've done to my car. Put a link down in the description for everything I got done to the car. Put the price in the video and the name of it. You're gonna start from front to back. And we're just gonna do it like that, because a lot of people, they new to the channel, so they probably haven't seen everything I got done to the car. They probably seen only the video that they just clicked on. So it's gonna be a video showing everything I got done, just in case you're trying to like figure out, you know, what you should do to your car, or like options or ideas and stuff like that. So starting off, I tint out the side markers on this car. You got the front, got the back side, and the back part right here. Super cheap mod. I think I paid like $10 to $15 for this wrap. Same until you cut it out and you just stick it on there. I did a hair dryer just to like make it stick real good, and then I actually took the lights out and then I put it on there, then I put it back in. That's why it came out so perfect. Can't even tell that it was like done like it came from the factory like this, because it's completely wrapped around the whole light. So like I said, I got an install video for this, so you want to see how to do it. Secondly, pop the hood real quick. Bro, this dude across the street is playing this music. I better not get copyrighted. I don't know if you can hear in this video. Every day he playing some shit in that garage doing something. I don't see no production coming out the garage, but I don't know. But like I said, hopefully I don't get no copyright, so I'll be irritated. But anyway, y'all see that. Go ahead, pop this hood real quick. Alright, so like I said, everything I've done to my car, I got a video for it. If you want to know how to install it, go check it out. This is an oil catch can I got off Amazon. Costs like 120 bucks. That's including shipping or whatnot. Easy install. It's only like 2 hoses. You got this this mounting bracket right here in the oil catch can itself. Every time I get an oil change, I screw this off, empty it, and then get my oil change. There's always something there. That goes to show you that it actually helps. So if you got a new car like this, I advise you to buy one of this sooner than later, but don't ever think it's too late. Like I said, it's a cheap mod. It's gonna help your car out, keep all that bad oil out the engine. Like I said, easy install, do it yourself. Secondly, on the hood, I ain't really do too much performance mods, but I got some coming on the way. I'm gonna tell you about that later in the video. This is the Hellcat Airbox. It kind of like the stock one. It actually looks exactly like the stock one. The only way to tell is if you actually take this part off, because you got a factory Scatpack. It's just a regular Airbox, but this is the Hellcat one, so this eyelid is open. Now it's already open when you get it from the factory, but it's not blowing nowhere, just blowing inside the engine bay. But if you get the Hellcat Airbox, what it does is you get a tube that you put right to this light, and all the air feeds right into the Airbox. Now I'm actually about to switch this out, so if anybody's interested in buying this, DM me on my car Instagram, which I'm about to show you right now. If you're not already following it, follow my car Instagram. This page right here, you got all car posts, anything related to the car. I actually post stuff I do to the car before you see it on YouTube, so make sure you're following this this car Instagram, because a lot of people ask me, hey, do you got Instagram for your car? And I never had one, and I just made this like, I believe 3 or 4 weeks ago. And like I said, everything I'm doing to the car, it get posted on here first, plus just random pictures, races, and I always put stuff on the story and stuff like that, so you go check that out. But under the hood, that's all I got. Hellcat Airbox, oil catch can. Like I said, both of these I done myself. Got videos on how to install it, so go check that out. Another thing I got is, I don't know if it's gonna show because it's light outside, but I'll put a picture of it. You kind of see it. I added these Scatpack floodlights, puddle lights, you know, wherever, shadow lights, where y'all want to call them. Easy install. It's actually a direct install. You take out the factory ones and these pop right into place. Those cost 40 bucks off Amazon. Like I said, you ain't gotta get Scatpack. They got them for RT, Hellcat, and other stuff as well. You just get a Challenger logo, a Dodge logo or where you want to get. Like I said, I'll put the link down for the description. I got a Scatpack, so that's the one I got. I'm gonna put a picture of these so you can actually see what I'm talking about. But like I said, these cost 40 bucks, easy install, took like 10 minutes. Another thing I got done in the inside is I added these lights, which I had in my old car. So you just add them. I got them in the front. You see right there, because even in the daytime you can still see them. And they in the back as well. You see it right there, and you can change the color. So when you order this, it comes with a big remote and a keychain remote. I lost a big remote in my old car. When I traded the old car in, I think I left it in there. I just wasn't able to get it back. But like I said, this works the same. I'm missing like 2 modes, but I still cycle through all the colors right here. Pretty much all the colors. They don't let you go, like each color got like 3 different options. I can't do that because I don't have the full remote, but it's good enough to me. And another thing I did for the insides, I did the trim, which a lot of people, y'all probably see this on YouTube a lot. They call this the, I don't know, 75 cents, 25 cents trim mod, whatever you want to call it. So I got around the middle console right here, plus the dash, as well as the door right here. And you can choose how much you want to order, because you got like a charger, you're going to need more to do the back doors. Or some people do like, you know, the steering wheel, or, you know, whatever else they do. They probably do it around here as well. And I've seen people do it right here. I didn't want to like overdo it. So that's why I just did the dash, console, and the doors. Not too much, not too less. Like I said, this cost probably like $10 or $15. Got off eBay. I'll put the link down in the description. I also got an install video, which is pretty self-explanatory. Are you doing stiffen this trim inside the groove or the crack or whatever you want to say, and it sticks right in, doesn't pop out, and that's it. So you just gotta, you actually come out and measure it, see how much you really want to use or order for your car. They got different colors. I chose red just because I got red hits all throughout the car. So that's that. As far as inside, I only did this and the lights and those shadow lights that you've seen right there. That's all I got done. Going back to the outside, I got the Wicker Bill. I added this, and if you go on my Instagram, let me turn the light on so you can kind of see it. Still can't really see it. So when you order it, it just comes with this piece and this piece. But I added my Car Club Instagram right there, and I also ordered this SRT badge off Amazon. It was like 10 bucks. So that just added a little flair, something extra to the Wicker Bill right there. I got this installed. They installed it for me for 90 bucks. You can do it yourself, but you'll have to have certain tools plus time. And for me, I like to have stuff like perfect. So if I would did this and it would been crooked or something, because you're drilling holes into the factory spoiler, and if it came out messed up, I would have just ordered a whole new spoiler, which that would have cost me 200 bucks when I could just paid 90 and got it done. So that's why I had it done that way. I'm also about to debash this and put something on the back, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I got a video coming for that as well. And as far as the back, that's pretty much it. I do have a mid muffler delete and resonator delete. So that cost me, when I went the first time, he charged me $120 for the mid muffler. He would have did the whole thing for $200, but I didn't want it too loud. So I ended up cutting the mids off and drove around for a couple months. I was like, man, nah, I need my shit louder. So I went back and cut out the resonators, and he charged me. I told him how I did the YouTube video. I sent people his way. He charged me a discounted price, and he also spray painted, well, not spray painted, but painted the tip. So they normally come chrome, but mine's just black, which you can't tell because it's dark. But this black looked way better than the chrome tips. So as like, you know, a thank you for me giving him exposure, sending people his way, he painted these for free for me in black. And, you know, he gave me a good price on cutting out the resonators, because I already came to him for the mid muffler. So I'll put a sound clip of how that sounds. And that's pretty much it. I added my Car Club Instagram on the sides and the back from a local decal shop. I came to them. They the one that did my Car Club logo. So they charged me, I actually bought like 10 of these at one time, so they gave me a good price on it. But pretty much these only cost me $10 each. You know, if I go buy them separate, if I buy them together, it was like $8 or $9. And for this one and the other side in the back, they charged $20, and they put them on for me. And they actually put them on perfect. You can see this is aligned with this right here, as well as this is smack there up in the middle, no tilt, super straight. So if you do a lot of stuff on Instagram or even YouTube, you should add your decal. Decal your Instagram name, YouTube name, or whatever social media you want people to get, you know, to come find you on, get more exposure on. Add this super cheap mod, add something different to your car, and that's pretty much it. I got a lot of much stuff coming to the car. Like I'm saying, I got some performance mods coming. So what I plan on doing is about to do an E85 kit. I got a sponsorship deal coming. I share that with y'all on the car Instagram, so make sure you follow that. As well as I'm about to put headers, and I'm about to switch out the intake. So I'm selling that Hellcat Airbox if everybody want to buy it, and I'm about to switch out for something else. So as far as performance, I got the E85 kit coming, as well as the intake, our new cold air intake. And I'm gonna do the headers, but I'm probably gonna do that separate. And I'm also gonna get it tuned. So I'm gonna get the intake box and the E85 kit around basically the same time and put those in. And then once I get the header spinning, I get the tune last. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, if you're not already following my car Instagram, car club Instagram, personal Instagram, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you did to your car down in the comments. Suggestions that somebody do their car, something that I haven't thought of that to do to my car. But that's pretty much it. Car dirty right now. This video is mainly for information, not like, you know, looks. And that's basically it.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah, reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah, and now I'm out here.